Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a layer in Pixlr. Let's say that we have this project of two layers. So first one is our background, which is pretty self-explanatory. Then I've decided to add a little fox in here on top right corner, let's say as our sign. And then we have a page option, layer option. And let's say we want to add a new layer. And let's not add one, but let's add layer number 5, layer number 6, and layer number 7. All of those layers are visible just now. So as you can see, we can't see anything changing because none of those layers have anything on it. But we want to get rid of them. Let's say you misclicked, so you want to really go back into the state where you had no layers. You can either click on the right side of this history option and you are undoing the all the layers. But if you're lost and you already too far in the project and you can't really go back because it would change all the progress you made after your mistake. Let's say, okay, we are going to add all those layers back. If you click the right option, right click here, and right click on the layer number 5, you see there is no option for deleting. But if you hover over the picture itself and click with a right click, you can easily delete the layer, just like that. You go and click on layer number 6, press a right click, you can duplicate the layer or delete the layer. And we want to delete the layer. Same goes for layer number 7. We go and click layer number 7. We hover our mouse anywhere inside of our project picture, because right now we are only hovering over not the background, not the moon PNG, which is this little cute fox, but we are hovering our mouse over unlocked layer number 7, and we want to click with the right click again and click delete layer. And that's about it. That's a whole story. If you have any types of questions, guys, please let me know. Leave a like and subscribe underneath this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.